Hello boys and girls, how are you? Hope you're happy like I am. I'm going to show you today how to mix your own plasticine in your house in case you have run out of it. Okay? So I'm going to put the camera down so you can see how I'm going to mix it. You just need flour, harina, you need salt, sal, and water, agua. That's easy as that. Okay? So let's start. You got a bowl in here, one bowl. So you need 2 parts of flour, one, and two. Now you need 1 part of salt, and then you need 1 part of water, that's it, and you start mixing. Now, when you put some paint in it, it can be food coloring. You can ask from mommy or daddy, or you can also take your colors. You put a little bit of color inside your piece of plasticine, and you mold it, mold it, and it will turn into green or blue or yellow, whatever color you want. And you can use it to play as plasticine to mold whatever you want. Okay, that's it. That's your plasticine. What you can do now is take a little piece and roll it and make a sausage of it. You see? Make a tiny ball, a medium ball, and a big ball. Hope you enjoy doing your plastic. Bye bye.